Hi guys, welcome to another epic drawing tutorial. So guys, today's video I'm going to be drawing Gojo, Satoru Gojo, Hollow Purple 200%. This is the movie used against Sakura. Alright, here are the guidelines. See the guidelines. I'm using an A4 paper to draw this wonderful, amazing artwork. Alright, so this is Satoru Gojo, Hollow Purple 200%. This is the movie made against Sakura. The manga. The anime is not yet out. Alright, so guys, as usual, if you like what you see, just help support by liking, clicking that like button. Is free, it doesn't take much time, just 1 second of your time. Just click that like button, like, support the movement, support the channel. I upload epic drawing tutorials every day for y'all, so support. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're new to the family, don't forget to subscribe. All right, now let's get down to business.
We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, inside me laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy.